Okay, so now we did this template here, and now we're gonna do this template here that we have the roses and the leaves and this little elements here. I will say that the rose is the one that needs more practice, so please make sure to practice that a lot and don't be frustrated by it. It takes time and patience. So again, let's start with a lot of pigment here, a lot of water and pigment. And again, you can trace it, and if we follow the template here and we do with the, so we're gonna do the circles here and here, and then we come a big, so here what we want is a rose that goes that way on the side. And the reason why I say stroke here, I'm gonna show you how. There's a stroke here, is the stroke that goes to the side. So let me put a little bit of pink and just make a mixture there. And so we're gonna start first the middle and then pull, remember one stroke here, we're gonna go this way. So then we want to make a little bit darker, so I'm going to put a little bit of this blue here. I'm going to make this purple and just put in the middle here. And then we have it there. Now let's do these leaves here. It's pretty simple. I'm gonna see here that I'm gonna take this green and I'm gonna do a different kind of green, just mixing a little bit of orange so it stays this muddy green. And more green a little bit. Then we're gonna do this two here, and then you can again do with your watercolor. Usually I like to do this first and then flat and pull. Again, flat and pull, and then you can come here and make it rounder. Flat and pull. Or there's people that do the opposite side too. You can do flat and pull. Even me, sometimes I do different ways. And then you come this way. I always like to, you can come later and do a line here if you want. And I always like to make it a little bit darker. And put some darker here. Okay. And now let's go to the big one, which is the rose. I'm gonna put this closer. And so we're gonna do this one here, which go around and around. So we have something like this that goes round and round and round. And there's two ways to do roses. You have to practice, and I'm for sure gonna do something just for roses, but for now I'm gonna show you this way. First we start with a middle here. You do kind of a shape like this, 2 rounds, and then it's a combination of the point of your brush with the belly of your brush. So round, pull, back, round, pull, round, pull, belly, pull, belly, pull, belly, pull. And remember to have your wrist very soft. Sometimes you connect, sometimes you don't connect. Need more water there. And there are other that we can just use water at the end. So here, belly pull, belly pull, belly pull. So here you can see I'm doing closer. And now I'm gonna just use water. To blend these edges here. Blend a little bit here. And then I can come with pigment and just put a little bit on this water. So this is another one. And I can come with this blue here and just put a little bit in the middle there, because it's gonna become purple. So, and this is the rose there. So the other one that we have here on the template is kind of like a daisy. And this one we're gonna have circle. Yeah. Back up this. Gonna have a circle here, and then we're gonna have all right, so we're gonna have first, let's start with the pink. Pull, touch, pull, touch, pull, touch, pull, touch, pull. So that it is. You know, the good thing about watercolor is that you can correct things. You can, you know, don't need to stress out. Make the watercolor work for you. You can see that just practicing that is going to be a great mindfulness exercise for you. It's going to make you really relax once you start being, you get the hang of it and start just go with the flow. Okay. So the other one we're going to do this one here, which is going to be this filler one here. We call this fillers in the bouquet. So this one's pretty simple. We're just gonna, again, you can use a template, but just gonna use here. It's just really doing some, remember the shapes have to be random. You know, we don't want to do just like this. This is not, it's not gonna be like very natural. And let's get some yellow. My palette here is a little dry, So you just do 3 strokes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you go with the green, and you just don't leaves. Touch, pull, touch, pull, touch, pull, touch, pull, touch, pull.